Welcome to the Moorhead Titan Outlet store. In this video, we would like to show you 2009 New Holland BC570 in like new condition. Let's look at some of the features on this square baler. First off, this BC5070 produces 14 by 18 inch square bales with 2-tie standard knotters. The pickup is standard with manual lift and 1 gauge wheel. Powering this BC5070 is a 540 RPM power takeoff. Other features include a standard Bale Chute and Bale Counter. Thank you for viewing this 2009 New Holland BC5070. If you are interested in this square baler and would like to talk to our sales staff, give them a call at 877-886-7010. And don't forget to check out our website at TitanOutletStore.com. Titan Outlet Store, guaranteed iron at a guaranteed steel.